Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on XUnit, and today we're going to be looking at the collection keyword. Now, what the collection keyword allows you to do is say, hey, these classes here, these unit test classes are dependent on each other, and if they run together in parallel, you might get some weird behavior. And I can give an example of this here. We have 3 unit test classes, all pretty much doing the same thing. We're all adjusting the static int that is here. So all we've got is a static int, and in each test we're setting them to a different value. So this one is 3 with a threaded sleep of 3000, just so we can kind of guarantee the test will fail in this situation. And then with 1000, static int of 5, and then static int is 1 with 2000. If we run these tests, what we will get is failures. Because even though the test makes sense, we're all adjusting the same static variable. And because we're adjusting the same static variable, we're going to get different results every time. If we run this again, we might get a different test failure. Okay, no. They all run the same. But it doesn't matter. In this situation, we're running into almost a race condition where these tests can't pass on a regular basis. So to fix this, we can use the XUnit collection. And all that is you give the value collection at the top of your class and you give it a name. So we'll just call this one collection. And now what this will do is these tests here, anything with the collection property or the collection attribute with the name of collection, will never run in parallel with each other. We can show this by adding this to the other 2 test classes, and then running them again. And what you'll see this time is that when the tests run, they will run one after the other. So this one is running successful, this one running successful, this one is running successful. And if we do it again, we'll get the exact same result, and we'll get that exact same result every time. Bear in mind, there's only delay when it's actually running because we've got a thread sleep in there. We can also now remove the thread sleep, and it will still absolutely work. But you also now won't see how quick them running via the console. You won't see them running sequentially, just because it will now run very, very quickly. Yeah, but they're guaranteed to work every time now. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like words. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.